Today we have a 2014 Nissan Armada. We'll be replacing the blower motor. So first thing we do, get to the passenger side. And under the dash here, you will see the blower motor. Now this is pretty, I don't want to say dumb because only Ford does this. We're gonna need a 5.5 to remove 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, which is, I only use 5.5 with Ford. And then number 7, just go ahead and get this wire out the way here, but we'll go ahead and unplug it while we're down here. Let's see, tab right there, just push in, pull out. So disconnect the blower motor, and I'm gonna get this out the way with number 7, and then 5.5, 3 bolts around, and it should just drop right out. So after removing those 3 5.5 bolts and getting this wire out the way, it just drops right down. Just kind of working around that, and also keep in mind the orientation. It really can only go one way, so you can't go wrong. So let's get this out the way. And have my new one here. So that, if you recall, the plug faces this way, and this little portion here faces towards us. I'll just go ahead and line it up. Line everything up. And now I'm just gonna bolt it all down. All right, guys, so blower motor's popped in, 3 bolts tightened it back down, as well as that one holding this little plastic bracket for the other wires. Now we'll just plug her back up. And pretty much that is it. We are done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.